Active Buds. amzn.to earbuds represent a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, crafted to elevate your listening experience. Engineered with an AMOLED touchscreen, these earbuds offer intuitive controls, providing effortless navigation of your music, calls, and settings with a simple tap. The dual-device simultaneous Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a seamless transition between multiple devices, eliminating the need for constant pairing. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Precision meets portability with the Modu Razor Titanium Collapsible Razor, crafted for those who demand excellence in every detail. Engineered from premium-grade titanium, this classic double-edged safety razor offers a seamless blend of durability and lightweight design. Weighing just a few ounces, it stands up to rugged travel yet feels virtually weightless in your grooming kit. The collapsible structure ensures compact storage, perfect for stowing in a dop kit or backpack without sacrificing blade stability. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitree Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. Built for rugged terrain and refined taste, the Z-Lounger Ultra Tough Air Seat raises the standard for portable seating. Whether you're posted up riverside, lounging at camp, or tailgating in the lot, this seat fuses field-ready toughness with an ergonomic profile that mirrors high-end indoor furniture. The advanced drop-stitched construction provides rigid support while maintaining an inflatable design, delivering 17 inches of elevated seating that doesn't sag, bend, or buckle. Precision meets performance with the Fantic Solo Aura H10 Apex hair dryer, engineered for fast, efficient drying without compromise. Its cutting-edge 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor delivers a forceful 65 meters per second airflow, cutting drying time by up to 80%. Designed with user comfort in mind, the H10 Apex weighs just 0.74 pounds, significantly reducing arm fatigue even during extended styling sessions. When precision, power, and portability intersect, the Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light Mini Chainsaw emerges as a clear contender in compact cutting tools. Its energy backbone, a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, delivers performance on demand. Fast charging via Type-C, the battery reaches 80% capacity in just 30 minutes and offers enough power to slice through up to 135 cuts of 2-inch pine, covering roughly 430 square feet of yardwork in a single session. Revolutionizing the game of chess, Go Chess brings innovation and sophistication to your fingertips. This advanced chessboard features self-moving pieces, offering a unique and immersive playing experience like no other. Powered by cutting-edge AI, Go Chess intuitively assists players with real-time coaching, helping both beginners and seasoned experts refine their skills with ease. Beyond its interactive gameplay, Go Chess introduces online play, connecting you to opponents worldwide for endless challenges. Roam X is an innovative e-wagon that blends the convenience of remote control with the practicality of outdoor exploration. Featuring dual motors capable of producing up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly handles a load of up to 440 pounds, ensuring you can carry gear on all your adventures without the usual strain. Whether navigating uphill or downhill, Roam X's intelligent speed control adjusts automatically, providing smooth handling without compromising safety. When the dust settles and streaks blur your view, the Hut W8 stands ready to reset clarity with every pass. Whether tackling pollen buildup or city grime, the 3,800 Pascal suction power keeps it firmly anchored to glass, ensuring a streak-free finish on vertical surfaces. Its dual water spray system applies just the right amount of mist to soften debris before the microfiber pads do the rest. In today's fast-moving world, simplicity and calm are more valuable than ever. That's where ZenFlow steps in, redefining how we experience aromatherapy with a sleek, waterless diffuser designed to harmonize with your pace, your space, and your lifestyle. Whether you're working late in a home office or unwinding in a cozy corner, ZenFlow turns everyday moments into peaceful retreats. ZenFlow isn't just a diffuser, it's intentional living. Built to be durable and sustainable, it delivers long-lasting fragrance without constant refills or upkeep. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. The Flairosol. Olivia Olive Oil Sprayer offers a precise and efficient way to manage your oil usage with its advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle. This innovative design delivers an ultra-fine mist that ensures even coverage, allowing you to control the exact amount of oil in your cooking. A single, full stroke dispenses approximately 0.04 ounce of oil, making it easier to follow calorie-conscious recipes without the need for excess fat. When precision meets portability, the result is a tool designed for modern demands. The Zera M. Engineered with an impressive 8,000 RPM motor, this compact, cutting-edge shaver delivers a consistently smooth shave, even against thicker stubble. Its pocket-sized body, weighing just a few ounces, ensures you're always ready for a quick touch-up. Noise is no distraction with Zera M's ultra-quiet 30-decibel performance. Built for utility and weekend escapes, this collapsible wagon from Black + Decker blends strength with mobility in a design made for real-world demands. Measuring 31.1 inches long, 21.2 inches wide, and 22.1 inches deep, it offers a generous cargo space without being bulky. Capable of hauling up to 176 pounds of gear, it's ideal for beach days, tailgating setups, or hauling tools around the yard. The wagon's heavy-duty all-terrain wheels ensure a steady ride over sand, gravel, or uneven paths. The Spire Studio's 2nd generation offers impressive advancements for music creators seeking reliable and high-quality recording capabilities. With an extended 8+ hours of recording time, this device ensures you have the flexibility to capture long sessions without interruptions. It boasts enhanced battery performance, allowing for sustained use during your creative processes. Equipped with upgraded preamps, the Spire Studio delivers clearer sound with better interference rejection, enabling higher volume levels and reduced distortion for a more professional output. The 1X Player G1 stands out as a versatile, high-performance handheld console, designed to meet the demands of both gamers and professionals. Offering an unparalleled balance between power and portability, this device excels in delivering seamless gaming and productivity experiences. Its compact form factor ensures effortless use for long periods, whether you're immersed in intense gaming sessions or tackling work tasks. Gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. Elevate your photography game with the Beetle Camera Clip V2, engineered for rugged efficiency. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, this clip maintains a featherweight profile at just 0.2 pounds, yet boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 66 pounds. Designed for versatility, it accommodates strap widths up to 2.95 inches and thicknesses ranging between 0.04 and 0.59 inches, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Few travel machines blur the boundaries between land, water, and shelter quite like the Triton. Born from a bold vision of eco-adventure, this 3-in-1 amphibious marvel merges the comforts of a micro-camper with the mobility of an electric boat and trike. Designed to seat two and built to tread softly across terrain and tides, the Triton redefines how we connect with nature, silently, sustainably, and without limits. Built for creators who move fast and think bigger, the Lancer 300 redefines mobile gear with purpose-driven design. Housing a 336 watt-hour power station at its core, this modular backpack delivers serious power on the go, whether you're editing drone footage on a mountain trail or charging a camera mid-ride. The fully detachable design adapts in seconds, letting you drop weight or reconfigure for daily carry, adventure mode, or production-ready loadouts. Step into the scene, not behind it. The Bleak Up Ranger transforms the way first-person action is captured. Offering more than just a camera, it's a cinematic partner strapped to your adventure. With 5-hour continuous recording, this compact device ensures your footage doesn't quit before you do. Whether you're trail running, scaling rock faces, or capturing your latest urban exploration, the Bleak Up Ranger keeps every frame rock steady thanks to its advanced anti-shake system. Turn up the heat without second-guessing your setup. The No Worries gas timer is a powerful 80,000 BTU auto shutoff gas timer, engineered to prevent gas leaks, flameouts, and overcooking. Designed for propane and natural gas systems, it's the perfect fit for outdoor grills, fire pits, patio heaters, and pizza ovens. Equipped with a reliable 3/8-inch flared assembly connector and hose, this compact safety device blends seamlessly into your setup while adding a critical layer of protection. Designed with purpose and built for control, the Vault 2.0 reshapes how you manage your everyday carry. Inspired by the logic of folders and the simplicity of book pages, this modular system redefines functional organization with precision and intent. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working from multiple locations, Vault 2.0 adapts to your gear and your rhythm. Each size, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul caters to specific carry needs, ensuring your essentials are always where they need to be. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corleo, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corleo defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision, gesture, recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. Forget the noisy gas generators or lugging melting bags of ice to your campsite. The Flextail Evo Icer is engineered for serious outdoor performance, bringing reliable ice-making power wherever your next adventure takes you. Equipped with a robust 200 watt-hour internal battery, this compact unit can churn out 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, thanks to its advanced Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. Transform your space with the amzn.to 2-in-1 floor lamp, a powerful lighting solution designed to enhance both style and function. Standing at an impressive height of 70 inches, this versatile lamp offers two distinct lighting options. The 3000 lumens LED torchiere lamp delivers bright, consistent illumination, perfect for illuminating large areas such as living rooms or bedrooms. Meanwhile, the RGB corner lamp adds a unique touch, creating vibrant lighting effects that are ideal for game rooms or spaces where you want to introduce an energetic atmosphere. The Leafeet S1 Pro is a versatile sea scooter designed for water enthusiasts seeking to enhance their underwater experiences. With a maximum speed of 6.5 kilometers per hour, it provides an efficient and enjoyable way to explore the depths of the ocean. The scooter features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to tailor your ride to the environment or your level of experience. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or swimming, the Leafeet S1 Pro adapts to your needs, ensuring smooth and controlled movement. The Ego 56-volt cordless mini bike redefines what's possible in compact electric performance. Its powerful rear hub motor launches riders with whisper-quiet torque, propelling the bike to speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Fueled by two 7.5 amp-hour ARC lithium batteries, it covers up to 20 miles per charge, making it a reliable off-road machine for adventure seekers. With 3 selectable riding modes, ECO, Normal, and Sport, plus a reverse gear and integrated parental controls, the Akefly 3-in-1 neck traction system is a powerful solution designed to alleviate neck pain and discomfort. Utilizing advanced technology, this device supports the upper trapezius while providing effective traction for the neck. Its dynamic system gently stretches the muscles, helping to release tension and promote relaxation. Ideal for those experiencing stiffness or soreness, the traction mechanism offers a customizable experience. One of the standout features is the 3-level red light pulse heat therapy, which targets deeper muscle layers. This therapy not only soothes tightness but also improves blood circulation. The Fluid Stance Balance Board is designed for individuals who seek improved posture and an active lifestyle at their desks. Engineered with a 360-degree rocker, this balance board transforms your workspace into a dynamic environment that encourages movement, helping to reduce fatigue and stress.